Hello, my name is Elena Pop. I'm the Executive Director of the Eviction Defense Network. We represent tenants in evictions and we want to help you save your home.
My name is Mark Tarbox, and I am the Director of TEP Education at the Eviction Defense Network. I'm also a graduate of the EDN TEP program. The Eviction Defense Network is a proud member of the LA County Right to Counsel Coalition and its Stay Housed LA program.
We know you're stressed. The threat to your home is one of the 5 most stressful life events you will ever have to go through. But stress will stop you from listening and following instructions, and that is the fastest route to a lockout by the sheriff. Overcome your stress through knowledge and power. Help us to help you by following instructions.
If you have a disability, including a learning disability, and need a reasonable accommodation, please let us know.
If you're listening to this video, you have connected with the resources to get the best possible result in your eviction case. Watch the videos and come to class. If you listen, learn, and follow instructions, you can get the best possible outcome given the strength of your case. So watch the videos and come to class. Watch the videos and come to class. Watch the videos and come to class. Watch the videos until you can teach the class and then watch them again. Go to edn.la for a current class schedule. We have classes covering every step of the eviction process and classes where you can practice speeches and where you can role play with us so that you can get confident and hone your skills.
Unfortunately, we cannot assign a lawyer to everyone. 47,000 evictions are filed in LA County each year. 358 lawyers are needed to represent that many households. The entire Stay Housed LA coalition has approximately 70 lawyers. Every year, our program is successfully helping thousands of tenants to prepare their own cases for trial and to assist them with negotiating settlement. If your case is not either settled or dismissed, and an EDN attorney is available when the trial actually starts, we will represent you in that trial.
But remember that you have to follow instructions and watch the videos and come to class. You need to gather your evidence and assemble your exhibits the way we instruct you to do it in video 2E. And when you've done that, you come to class to ask your questions. You can watch video 2C on negotiation and then do your 16 factors analysis using the form in your notebook. And that will help you determine if you should fight to stay in your unit or negotiate a good move out deal. After you watch the videos and done the 16 factors analysis, you can come to class to ask questions. Watch the videos and come to class. If you do all of this, you will be prepared when the court assigns you to your actual trial judge. And if a lawyer is available, we will step in and represent you. Be a winner. Join our program.
First, do intake online. Next, get your registry of actions from the court and bring all your court documents and your evidence to our EDN office. If you can't get an in-person appointment, request to fly standby. There's no guarantee, but hopefully we can squeeze you in. If you can't get in on a standby appointment, purchase a trial binder at the office with all tabs and inserts, and then use Video 2F to assemble your trial binder. Come to our trial binder class on Thursdays at 6 p.m.
Learn the law by attending the Stay Housed LA webinars.
Learn the process by coming to our Zoom TEP classes and by watching the videos. Remember, watch the videos, come to class, watch the videos, come to class, watch the videos, and come to class. Watch the videos until you can teach the class, then watch them again and come to class to get any necessary updates because information changes all the time.
Build your confidence by coming to our role-playing class on Tuesdays at 6 p.m. and by attending our Friday night tenant support group.
Get help preparing for trial at Step 10 and Step 15 by sending your personal information paragraph, what we call the PIP, to your team at 10 a.m. Monday through Friday, except on court holidays. If they can't get you an appointment, see if you can get a standby appointment at our office. If you can't get a standby appointment, then purchase a trial binder from the office, watch video 2F, and then come to the trial binder class. Remember, there is a video and a class for every step of this process.
Get on our radar by getting on our EDN court calendar. Come to class on the Monday or Wednesday before your appearance. When asked to do so, post your personal information paragraph privately to the EDN staff member who is adding cases to our calendar.
Get help on the day of each appearance by texting your updated PIP, your personal information paragraph, to your team at 8 a.m. on the days of each court appearance.
An attorney will substitute into your case and represent you at the trial if you are prepared and if an attorney is available.
Remember, our community is a ship in a storm. We are still recovering from the impacts of the COVID pandemic, and now we're facing the impact of the LA fires. Many of the affected tenants lost their jobs and now find themselves unable to pay the rent. Many tenants are in the water. The lawyers are all in the water saving other tenants. The empowerment classes are a flotation device to keep you afloat until a lawyer becomes available, or more rescue boats come, or you are strong enough to save yourself. Please watch the videos and come to class. Help us bail water by staying focused, absorbing the information, learning, and following our instructions.
You tell us, but I have a notice that expires today. Remember, breathe. Watch video 2A and come to our Zoom class on how to respond to a notice from your landlord. This also applies to verbal threats to evict and threats to illegally lock you out.
When you tell us, I have a summons and complaint for eviction and the answer is due today, we are going to remind you to breathe. Watch video 2B. You have 10 working days from when the summons and complaint is served on you. Come to our class on how to respond to a summons and complaint for eviction. File your initial answer by either using the Tenant Power Toolkit or by visiting one of the self-help centers. As soon as the answer is filed, complete the EDN online intake on our website. Get the registry of actions from the courthouse and then bring all your court documents and the evidence you have collected and organized to our office, and then request a standby appointment for in-person intake and binder assembly. Our services are free. We charge approximately $35 for a binder that has the forms you need to comply with the court's order for trial readiness.
You might tell us, but I have a notice to vacate from the sheriff. I can be locked out today. Breathe. The date on the notice, which is circled on this slide, is not the lockout date. The sheriff can come any day after that day. The sheriff is usually a few days behind in most courts. If there is a way to get your case back on track, we will tell you, but first you need to do the following. We cannot assess the situation without your case file. Number 1, fill out our intake online. The link is at edn.la. Go to your court. Fill out form FW001, which is a fee waiver form to avoid the cost of copies. Get a copy of your complete case file. Get a copy of the registry of actions. Watch video 2L. Come to the EDN office. Watch video 2L again while you're waiting. Bring headphones so you can listen to the video while you wait.
If you tell us, my landlord says they are going to lock me out today or tomorrow, we are going to remind you to breathe. Your landlord cannot lock you out without going through the court process. That would be illegal. Always carry on your person proof that you are a tenant in that unit. Have your lease, receipts, utility bills, your driver's license with the address on it. Watch our video on landlord harassment. And if your landlord does actually try to lock you out, do not let them. Stay in the unit and call the police. If you are already locked out and you can prove you are a tenant, get yourself back in and then call the police. If you are in the unit, the police will tell the landlord to file an eviction lawsuit. If you are out of the unit, the police will likely tell you to sue the landlord and they may not let you back in. Once you are inside and have called the police, you text us, "I am immediately locked out," by texting 310-704-8785.
At this point, we want you to go to stayhousedla.org to see if you are eligible for free services from one of our sister agencies. If you live in one of the priority zip codes, apply for services and wait to be called. While you're waiting, watch the videos and come to class. Watch the videos and come to class. Watch the videos and come to class. Not interested in learning how to represent yourself? Come to any of our TEP classes and request the list of private attorneys that you can hire. Knowledge is power. Even if you hire a lawyer or are assigned a lawyer by the Stay House Delay program, you can still participate in our TEP program.
If you need emotional or technical support, please join our Friday night tenant support group. The tenant support group is led by tenants who got excellent results by using our services. The Zoom links for all our programs are at edn.la/webinars.
Be a good TEP student. Go on right now and watch our From Zoom to Victory video and learn how to get the most out of our classes.
And remember,
When we fight,
we win.
end recording.